Hello there, this is Vivian Berry, and here's your cybersecurity brief powered by CybLynx, where we break down the biggest cyber threats, security updates, and trends you need to know right now. Let's get straight into it. Over the long July 4th weekend, Ingram Micro, one of the world's top IT supply chain giants, was hit by a ransomware attack. The group behind it? A ransomware gang called SafePay. Their systems went down hard, including customer ordering portals. This wasn't just a glitch. It disrupted the flow of tech products globally, and it's a loud wake-up call that supply chain vulnerabilities are still front and center in today's cyber threat landscape. Next, we've got to talk about Scattered Spider. If you've been in cybersecurity circles lately, you've heard their name. These guys are relentless. They've been tied to major breaches at MGM, Caesars, and now several US, UK, and Canadian companies. Their strategy? Social engineering. We're talking about deepfake phone calls, SIM swapping, and even tricking internal help desks. And now, they're reportedly partnering with Russian ransomware gangs. The lines between cybercrime and nation-state tactics are blurring more every day. Now here's one that's honestly chilling. A new piece of AI being used to clone someone's voice. Hackers created a deepfake of US Senator Marco Rubio's voice, then used it to call and message diplomats and government officials using encrypted apps like Signal. They tried to extract sensitive information by impersonating a high-ranking government official. This wasn't just some prank. It was calculated. It shows just how powerful and dangerous AI can be when it's in the wrong hands. Shifting gears to the hardware space, MediaTek, the chipset manufacturer used in tons of smartphones and IoT devices, has just disclosed 16 new vulnerabilities. That's right, 16. If you're a vendor or working in mobile security, this is your red alert. Make sure firmware updates are applied, especially in consumer-facing devices. Now, onto some regulatory heat. California just handed down its biggest CCPA fine ever. Helpline was fined $155 million for privacy violation. This isn't just a slap on the wrist. It's a sign that state regulators are stepping up their game. If your company collects personal data from Californians, now's the time to double-check your consent policies and data retention practices. And here's something that could have global implications. The European Union is proposing that by 2030, all encrypted platforms, from messaging apps to VPNs, must allow lawful access for investigations. While the goal is to fight crime, privacy advocates are warning that this could undermine secure communication for everyone. We're watching this one closely, because if it moves forward, it could change the future of online privacy. Last but not least, Patch Tuesday just rolled out, and it's a big one. Microsoft, Google, and major Linux distributions have released over 130 security updates. These patches fix everything from remote code execution to privilege escalation and a 0-day in Google. So if you haven't already, get those updates going now. Don't let known vulnerabilities become your weak link. That's your cyber brief for today. As always, stay alert, stay patched, and stay ahead. This is Vivian Berry, reporting with CybLynx. Catch you next time.